Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is really interesting. And this is one of the scenario whenever you faced or whenever you work on the Power BI. Okay. So basically, I have two sets of data here. Okay. This is my sales data, which is my sales table, and this is my cost data. The problem on this two table is the sales data is at date level, and whereas my cost data is at month level. What does it mean? Let's take. So let me consider the all the January data. So this three rows, right? This is at date level. Whereas this three rows is pointing to only one row from the my cost. This is one. So it is at month level. Okay. Like that, if I consider this three row for the February, so there is only one row I have for the cost. Right. So this kind of scenario always would comes up like whenever there is a data at date level and one it is at a month level, and requirement will come in the Power BI that I want to just showcase the data, both the sales amount and the advertise amount, everything I want to showcase, and both are at a different level of granularity, right? So here's the challenge: how to do that. Okay, let's see how to perform this. So first of all thing, when you are going to Power BI, I just loaded up this data and I just created a calendar table on top of that because I can directly connect the cost to the sales. Okay, and the calendar table I just created a, if you see this thing I have created here, like I just take a calendar function and starting at January 2016 to 31st December 2016 because this is the range I have in my sales and cost. Okay, now I can join back with my calendar. So this is the way you should always do whenever you find the two sets of this is at month level and this is at day level. So you need a intermediate calendar table which will hold the dates. Then we can connect back to the both the tables. Otherwise, it is impossible to connect this. So now let's connect. This is the first rule you should follow. Okay. So date to date, and here also the date to date. So this is the first performance we should do it. So whenever you found the two tables on a different granularity level. Okay. Now let's see one more challenge what we'll face whenever I'm keeping the advertise amount and my sales amount into one single report. Right? Let's see. So let me go there and just create a measure table here first. Okay. So I say key measures. Load. Right, so now I just creating a measure here. I say total. Sorry. I say total sales amount. So first amount I want to create it is sum of my sales table sales amount. Simple. Okay. Now just delete this from the column one. It will make the complete table here. So now I'm creating another measure here, which is nothing but my total cost. Okay. Same. I'm doing the sum of cost advertising amount. Right. Both are done. Now let's see. Let me put a record a matrix here. Okay, and from the date I'm taking my month and I'm taking my date. The other two parameters I'm taking. Let me just a little bit grow in the size. Okay, and column headers also. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now try to put the first as total cost. Okay, then put the total sales amount here. Um, okay, this is fine. Just I just flip it. Okay, like this. Okay. So at month level, I don't have an issue because the total cost data is at month level only. So I have no problem. Let's try to drill down to the date level here, day level. Here is the problem. What is the problem? We are seeing that See, I don't have an issue at total sales amount because it is at day level now, it is going on. But I have a problem on the total cost. Correct. The total cost is always should show at month level rather than the first day of the month or whichever the month it is there. Right? If you expand the August also, the same problem. It is coming at the first day what of the sales I have. On that month my cost is coming. Whereas this is not my granularity. This is should be at month level. It should not show at my date level at all. So this is one more challenge you will face whenever you have the different level of granularity. Okay. So how to fix it? So to fix this, before doing that, I will introduce to another function here that is called my ISFilter. Okay. So what is the ISFilter is all about? So ISFilter is something like if you give any column, it will take table name or column name. So it will give you the true and false. So let's take I am saying calendar date. I am checking whether on my visualization whether the filter is based on the calendar date or not. If I enter this, the output will be true and false. Okay, let's see. So at date level, everything will be true, and whereas the month level, it will be false. Okay, so like this. Again, if you scroll down, again at month level, it will be false, and at a day level, it will be true. So based on this, we will calculate saying that this one not true. Okay, we say whenever this is not true means false, right? So whenever it is not true, it is my month level only. That time only I want to calculate my total cost, and other than if it is true, I don't want to calculate my total cost at all. Okay, this will be the logic, and this is the solution for this. So what I'll do here is that I will say if, okay, if is filter of my calendar date, I will say not true, right? So I will put not here. Okay, not true. So it will be false. So that time I will calculate my this amount. Okay, and just come back to the formula. Let me delete this all these things. And now I will come to the formula. Bingo. Okay, now see, let me cross back. Yeah, we see now when I'm at my month level, let me move back. Like month level, it is fine, but when I'm drilling down to the date level now, for the date level, my total cost is not counting. It is at only at month level only. So this function will be very useful to see the filter context where you are, each filter context. Okay, this is the first. And second thing is whenever you have two sets of granularity, different granularity table, then you should have a intermediate table which is nothing but my calendar, and we can just join that, and based on that we can do your analysis here. Okay, make sense? Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like that, and see other playlist on this channel. I'll put it in the description link. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.